Ratio of milk to water in 100-liter mixture is 2:3. 10 liter of mixture is withdrawn and replaced with milk. This process repeated 2 more times. What is the percentage of milk in final mixture? Here this is replacement. That is when you're taking out 10-liter mixture, you are adding 10-liter milk. That is initial volume and final volume will be same even after all this process. So here milk to water ratio is 2:3. So 2 plus 3, total 5 part here is equal to 100 liter. Then 1 part is equal to 20 liter. So 2 part is the milk quantity, which is 2 into 20, 40 liter, and 3 part is the water quantity, which is 3 into 20, 60 liter. So 40:60 is the milk water ratio here. Now you are taking out 10 liter mixture from it. 10 liter mixture means you are taking out 10 out of 100 from it. That is, you are taking out 1 by 10 from it. When you take out 10 liter mixture from it, you are taking out 1 by 10 of milk part and 1 by 10 of water part. You can leave this water part here because we only need percentage of milk in the final mixture. So 1 by 10 of 40 means 4. So 40 minus 4 is equal to 36. But you are adding 10 liter milk to it. So 36 plus 10 total 46 is the milk quantity after first step. But you are repeating this step 2 more times. Again you are taking 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 of 46 is equal to 4.6. So subtract 4.6 from 46. Again you are adding 10 liter milk to it. So 46 plus 10 is 56. 56 minus 4 is 52. 52 minus 0.6 is 51.4. Milk quantity is 51.4. Again you are repeating this process. That is, you are taking out 1 by 10 of 51.4 and adding 10 liter. So 51.4 minus 1 by 10 of 51.4 is 5.14. Again you are adding 10 liter. So 51 plus 10 is 61. 61 minus 5 is 56. Now 0.4 minus 0.14. That is 40 minus 14 is equal to 26. So 56.26. Option 1 is your answer. Actually, here if milk quantity is 56.626, then water quantity will be 43.74. Total 100 liter, which means 56.26% is the milk part.